country who wants to pass the civil services examination. Therefore, I would like to start my channel's first video by stating the syllabus, marking scheme and paper pattern of UPSC. As we all know it very well that UPSC is conducted in 3 phases: prelims, which is of 400 marks, mains, which is of 1750 marks, interview, which is of 275 marks. Prelims. There are 3 important things that should be noted about prelims paper. First, the marks added in prelims paper are not added in result, but it is necessary to clear prelims so that you can sit in the mains examination. Second, in prelims paper, objective type questions are given. Third, there is negative marking. Each wrong answer will deduct 1/3 of the total marks. In prelims, there are 2 papers held: GS paper 1 and GS paper 2, which is also called CSET, Civil Services Aptitude Test. GS paper 1. It is of 200 marks and 100 questions are given in the paper. The time allotted to complete the paper is 2 hours. The maximum marks required to clear GS paper 1 is prescribed cutoff by UPSC. Now, let us talk about the syllabus of GS paper 1. First, current events. Second, history of India and Indian national movements. Third, Indian and world geography. Fourth, Indian polity and governance. Fifth, economic and social development. Sixth, environmental ecology, biodiversity and climate changes. Seventh, general science. GS paper 2. It is of 200 marks. 80 questions are given in the paper and the time allotted to complete the paper is 2 hours. To clear GS paper 2, it is necessary for the candidate to get 33%. Now, the syllabus required to be covered for GS paper 2 are: first, comprehension; second, interpersonal skills and analytical ability; third, decision making and problem solving; fourth, general mental ability; fifth, basic numeracy at class 10th level; sixth, data interpretation. Mains. In mains, there are 9 papers held. Paper 1, Modern Indian Language. In this paper, you have to choose any Indian language to answer your paper. It is of 300 marks. The marks that you get in this paper is not counted in ranking, and passing paper 1 is mandatory. The paper pattern of paper 1 is: first, comprehension of given passage; second, precise writing; third, usage and vocabulary; fourth, short essay; fifth, translation from English to Indian language. Paper 2, English language. It is of 300 marks. As it was in paper 1, marks are not counted for ranking in paper 2 also, and passing in paper 2 is also mandatory. Paper pattern of paper 2 is almost similar to paper 1, that is, First, comprehension of given passage. Second, precise writing. Third, usage and vocabulary. Fourth, short essay. Paper 3, essay writing. It is of 250 marks. It is to be written in medium or language of the candidate's choice. The choice of subjects for essay will also be given. Credit will be given for effective and exact expression. Paper 4, General Studies. It is of 1250 marks and the subjects included in paper 4 are: first, Indian heritage and culture. Second, history of the world and society. Third, geography of the world and society. Paper 5, General Studies 2. It is of 250 marks. The subjects included in this paper are: first, governance. Second, constitution. Third, polity. Fourth, social justice. Fifth, international relations. Paper 6th, General Studies 3. It is also of 250 marks. The subjects included in this paper are: first, technology. Second, economic development. Third, biodiversity. Fourth, environment. Fifth, security. Seventh, disaster management. Paper 7, General Studies 4. It is again of 250 marks. The subjects included in this paper are: first, ethics. Second, integrity. Third, aptitude. Paper 8, Optional Subject Paper 1. It is of 250 marks and the candidate may choose any one optional subject from the list of subjects given. Paper 9th, Optional Subject Paper 2. It is also of 250 marks and in this paper too, candidate may choose any one optional subject amongst the list of subjects given. Interview, that is the third phase of UPSC examination. It is of 275 marks. It aims to understand the motivation, inspiration, and intention of a candidate in public service. So guys, that's it for today's video. Please ignore my mistakes. Thank you for giving your precious time, and if you guys found this video useful, please hit the like button. Comment us if you want to suggest us any topic, and please do subscribe our channel so that we can facilitate you with more videos in future.